went out and bought me a new soldering iron station, WLC100, electronic soldering station, made by Weller. Sorry about that phone call. Made by Weller. Got it on Amazon. I'll put it just connect or a link to it in the description. It was on sale for 30 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. And my other one, all I had was one of $8 cheapos, and it just did not work. So we will give the old Weller a chance to do its thing. Nice soldering iron. Heat controlled, thermostat controlled, amperage controlled, whatever you want to call it. And it has a outlet for the soldering iron connected to the control, which would only make sense since it's going to tell you how many amps you have to the soldering iron. But I needed a new soldering iron, so this is the one we got, and we'll give it a shot. Weller makes good stuff. I used it in the military all the time. Alright, we'll let that heat up and we'll get down to fixing this motor. Okay guys, here's the Weller soldering iron. I used it to do a little work today. I like it, it's good. Got a nice feel on the handle. And comes with a sponge. Just add a little water because it's pretty flat when you get it. Got a place to store your soldering iron. Got a power switch. 5 different settings, anywhere between who knows what and what. Okay, the soldering iron goes anywhere from 5 watts to 40 watts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different setting numbers, but the lowest one is 5, the highest is 40. I ran it on 4 when I did my soldering today. Heats up quick, melts the solder, does a real good job. I also picked up some solder on Amazon. I'll put that in the description. Good for small work like you're doing with your RC. Some flux. I don't know where I put the flux, but I got some flux that I also used. The flux is under here. I'm using it to hold up my new project.